first, for the dissection, you will break the arms, so like this, and that. You might hear snap. That one didn't have a snap.
Then you will make a small incision a little above the legs.
Just like that. And cutting all the way up to the top. Next, you will cut all the way up to the chin and cut the arms and skin flaps away on the arms. You should have these little arm flaps right here.
Start by bending the frog's arms back until they break so they don't get in the way.
Then cut off the arm flaps.
Make an incision just above the waist of the frog.
This is what it will look like once you have cut all the extra skin and arm flaps away.
Next, you will cut all the muscle lining away. The same thing that you did with the skin.
Basically, you're just cutting open to get to the insides of the frog.
Should look like this once you're inside. Then cut the flaps away just like you did with the frog. The skin.
Most of the insides will look like they're blue. That is normal.
These are the 3 livers.
The 3 livers are those dark blue things you see. And once you are taking off the skin, you will be able to see the 3 livers by cutting the livers off the other parts of the frog. Be careful not to cut any of the other organs. What does the liver do? The liver breaks down the food that the frog eats.
Next, I'll take these are the 3 livers. You want to cut them out and make sure not to cut any of the other organs. This is what the 3 livers will look like. Next.
Then you will see a triangle-looking thing under the livers. This is the heart. You'll take this out by carefully cutting around the heart and using tweezers to take them out.
Alright, right here, this little triangle-looking thing is the heart. I will cut this out. Try not to cut any other things. This will be the heart right here. Where is the heart located, Josh?
It is located above the lungs. We will begin to take out the fat bodies.
The fat bodies are kind of like spaghetti-looking strings. They're these right here. There is quite a few of them in here, so I'll use the tweezers to take them out.
Parker is a certified surgeon. Only on frogs.
All right, now that we're done taking that,
Then you will see a greenish circular thing. That is the gallbladder. You'll take the gallbladder out by cutting it around it with a scissor.
right here, never mind. Right here is our gallbladder. Next, Josh.
Then you will see. Then you will see next to the fat bodies there is little gray shapes. These are the lungs. They are on both sides of the frog.
This is one of the lungs.
There's one more.
This is the other lung.
Around the area of the lungs, there's kidneys which look alike.
You'll see under the stomach, they kind of are a little blue thing.
Oh, and then should I go underneath the liver to the gallbladder? Underneath, or first I'll go cut the heart away from the, just like,
This is the other part, one part of the liver.
and I'll go cut the heart away.
And this right here is the other part.
That is what they look like, right next to each other.
Next to the small intestine
You will
will
see
be
the large
the large intestine. It is this thing right here. It's connected to the small intestine.
You will cut around that to get it out.
And then next to that is the stomach right here. You will cut that off by cutting away from where kind of the liver was. This is the stomach.
Both frogs and humans have a large intestine. Yes, both of them have a large intestine. You have testes or ovaries. These are ovaries.
These little string right here, this is the ovary. It might be a little bit bigger sometimes or others.
Next, the small intestine is located next to the stomach. It looks like a small lumpy oval.
Right here is the small intestine. It is kind of like a string like lumpy piece. We'll cut it off by cutting away from. This is the small intestine right here.
You have testes or ovaries. These are ovaries.
These little string right here, this is the ovary. It might be a little bit bigger sometimes or others.
Next, the small intestine is located next to the stomach. It looks like a small lumpy oval.
Right here is the small intestine. It is kind of like a string like lumpy piece. We'll cut it off by cutting away from. This is the small intestine right here.
Where are the ovaries located?
The ovaries are located under the back of the frog's body and in the cavity next to the kidneys. This is the stomach.
We'll look for the spleen.
The spleen is located kind of under the stomach, large intestine, small intestine.
It looks like a small red circle.
A small black reddish circle. It looks like this.
Turn the frog over and open the mouth. You will find the tongue and cut it out.
This is the tongue right here. You'll cut it out by cutting in the back. Then you'll pull it out with just kind of force, because or cut the bottom out. This is the tongue right here.
That is what the tongue looks like.
You will shove the needle into the thing's eye, into the frog's eye, and you'll see this little pearl round shape coming out. This is the eye lens. It should be clear and it should pop out. It might need a little bit of brute force to get out, but it will. It should look like this. Now you would do the same thing on the other side.
What you would do when you were attempting to take out the brain?
First, you would take off the skin from the frog's head, and then take that off. And then once you're done with that, you try to get cut up here by the frog's eyes and pull it up, and then it would expose the brain and you could take it out.
But this is very hard. This is by far the hardest part of the frog.
It's super fragile, and unfortunately we were not able to do this, but we will show you what it would